Hey friends, this is Atif Opir and welcome to the new update on TrueFi. As in my recent videos, we have been following another breakout from a falling wedge pattern. TrueFi has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and this is by the way a weekly time frame chart, here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this wedge. While moving inside this wedge, we broke down this very significant support, this uptrend line support that was previously working as a support here from the month of August 2023 up till here, up till the month of October 2024. It has been breaking at a very, very strong support. We had a bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And finally, we broke it down. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. And now we have first broken out this wedge, and now recently we have also broken out this uptrend line resistance as well. That is a very, very big development. And now TrueFi is trying to break out this next very long-term resistance of 11.5 cents. That was previously breaking at the resistance here for several weeks, and now again it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SXP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 10th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of TrueFi. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Let me to show you this move on the daily time frame chart. Then it will be more visible. You can see that the price entered the wedge here, the month of May 2024. Then we had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, another bounce, another bounce. Then we got so many rejections here. And we had another bounce after several rejections. The price then dropped down at the support. And finally, after getting quite squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, it broke out the resistance. And now we have also broken out this quite long-term uptrend line resistance as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance has been previously working as a support here from the month of August 2023 up till the month of September 2024. It has been working as a very long-term uptrend line support. And now after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. You can see we got stable ejections, and now finally we have broken it out. And now the price line is trying to break out this resistance of 11.5 cents. Recently, you can see that for several weeks, this 11.5 cents has been working as a very, very strong resistance. And after that, the next resistance will be here. That will be a short-term resistance at 14.7 cents. That was recently working as a resistance, but this will be a quite long-term resistance at 20 cents. That is also very close to the target for the breakout from this wedge, because the target is slightly higher here, approximately at 23.5 cents. And before that, we will need to break out this 20 cents resistance. If we take a look at the previous history of this 20 cents, then you can see that previously here, back in the month of January 2021, it was breaking as a very strong support. And after that, you can see that when we broke, by the way, here, it was also breaking as a resistance. And after this rally, after the breakout from this wedge, when we had this second rally after this price correction, the price and again got rejected by this 20 cents resistance here and here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance because there's a quite long-term resistance. And the technical target will be here at 23.5 cents for the breakout from this wedge. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, that target can be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $1.10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.